On today's episode, we're talking Love Jugs coming up. Now before we get started in today's episode, I want you guys to go down to the bottom of the screen, hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. This is going to help boost our overall YouTube channel so that way we can get better content out there for you guys. And if you haven't yet already, click on the bell notification button. This is going to ensure that you guys never miss a video. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the featured product of the day. Love Jugs. Now we're going to talk about a few different things about these products. Going from the mounting kits that you can buy to also the wiring harnesses for your bikes. But let's start off today by talking about the product itself. So let's talk about the featured product of the day, Love Jugs. No, right off the bat, these are not speakers. Let me just get that out of the way. There's a lot of misconception. A lot of guys will come in here and be like, look, I want to check out these speakers. They're not. This is actually a cooling system for the bike to help keep the engine cool, to help keep your oil temps down, especially in stop and go traffic. That's where these things are going to shine. So these things are a fantastic option. They come in different colors. We're going to have like this really nice glossy chrome. The ones we're taking a look at here actually are the flat black options. So the packaging itself done really well. Look at this awesome packaging. They've got a lot of stats happening on here to prove to you guys right off the bat that they do what they're supposed to do. Now, let's take a look on the inside of the box. Right off the bat, you can see here we got ourselves some instructions. So very crucial to read through this instruction setup on these. They're fairly simple, but again, follow the instructions step by step so you guys don't mess up anything on your ride. Now, one thing I love about these guys is quality is key. So they give you guys a little slip in here, and it has initials from the people who handled this product in the store, making sure you guys get the absolute best quality. And if there's an issue, you guys call them right back up, give them the tracking number on the card, and they're gonna be able to go right to the source and figure out what happened. So if that ain't quality, I don't know what is. All right, so we got ourselves some top foam sets here, a couple more foam pads to keep everything in place, and then we're gonna go right into the actual product. As you can see there, the product is wrapped very nicely in some tissue paper and foam. So we'll unwrap that for you, and we're getting right to the product. So this here is the Love Jug setup. Now it's going to be two high performance dual fans that are really going to help keep some of that nice cool air coming onto your engine at all times, really whipping it through and keeping everything nice and cool. Now this is going to come with a 4-prong setup, but we're going to talk about that in a little bit. As you can see, these are the newer styles. So we're going to have buttons inside here that are really nice and deep and look really sleek. So we don't have any buttons hanging out, sticking out. Everything's really nice and flush, and these things are performance. So we'll put those right up there. Now, you guys considering putting those on your bikes, you're like, are they going to be helping me in the rain? You know, like, do I have to have them off? No, they are water resistant. They can handle some rain. It's not going to be an issue. A lot of guys I've heard run these things all day in the rain and whatever, and it doesn't hurt them, and they've had these things on for a long time. Let's go into our mounting kit. We're going to have a stock mounting kit that comes with this setup, and that's going to do it for everything inside this box. So the mounting kit here, we're going to have like a little Love Jugs, maybe I'll zoom in on that, little Love Jugs pieces here, little rubber mount, some connection pieces, and a nice big steel piece with a couple of zip ties. So this is your standard mount kit. Now this mount kit here is actually going to mount right up to the horn on the side of your Harley. But the problem with that is there's a lot of vibration that happens. By upgrading mount kits, it's going to increase your warranty, so that way you guys are going to have a longer lasting warranty on your product that you're just purchasing. And when you're spending this kind of money, personally, I would definitely go up the level. So let's get into those right now. Taking a look at the Love Jugs vibration stainless steel mounting kit. Now this is a level 2 upgrade for your Love Jugs. This is going to help increase your overall warranty when you put this on. And the reason that being is because we're going to have a lot more vibration reducing product inside the secondary mounting kit. And as you can see on the back, the instructions are fairly simple. Everett's going to walk you through step by step on how to put this thing together to make sure you get the best ride possible and the longest lasting Love Jugs you can. Now, we're going to jump up to a stage 3 mount kit, which is right here. This is going to be your Love Jugs stage 3 mount kit. It's going to mount directly to the frame itself, taking away all that engine vibration. So this is the way I would recommend going if I were you guys. It's going to increase your warranty. It's going to increase the life of your product. We're getting rid of all of that shake and vibration. Yes, mounting is going to be a little bit more difficult. We're going to have to take off the gas tank in order to do this, but we're getting a lot less vibration inside of those fans, helping them last longer. So again, Love Jugs did a great job. As you can see, their product is designed top of the line, really nice chrome. Got their logo on there, super nice chrome look. You guys aren't gonna have any problems putting this on the bike. It's gonna look great on whatever bike you guys throw that onto. Even their clamps, I love this. Even the clamps that they're throwing inside the box say Love Jugs on them. How cool is that? That is just a company that screams quality. Absolutely love that. So that right there is your level 2 and level 3 mount kit setup for Love Jugs. Highly recommend bumping up to one of these two. It's going to help increase the overall warranty for your Love Jugs themselves. So now to the wiring portion of Love Jugs. So Love Jugs themselves are going to come with a 4-pinned harness here, a 4-pin clamp. And for some bikes, that's just not going to work. So we do sell the adapter here at Dennis Kirk with an 8-pin clamp. This is going to allow you from bikes from 14, 15, 16, and 17 touring models to actually match up with these Love Jugs. And the best part is this is literally just a plug and play system. You plug these in, it's going to clamp right on here, no big deal, and then clamp with your existing harness, and it goes right in, right to the handlebars, so that way when you guys click that switch, your fans are running. You shut your switch off, your fans shut off. You're not going to have to monkey around down here with the buttons and stuff like that on a hot day. It's nice, it just wires right in. So again, our clamp system, this is going from a 4-pin clamp to a 8-pin clamp, and it's just an extra adapter that's really going to help everything run smoothly, again on those 2014, 15, 16, and 17 touring model Harleys. So Love Jugs is a product highly recommended from everybody here at Dennis Kirk. Definitely check them out. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, it's going to help out our channel. We really appreciate all the support you guys are giving us, and we'll see you guys next time.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.